Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to this presentation. This is Mr. Sherak on the channel, and this is Legit Car Business TV, a place where we teach ethical and information marketing business in the world. Do me a favor, do us a favor by like, share this video, and turn up the bell notification so that whenever a video like this is released, you'll be first to be notified. Having said that, we are going in for the presentation, and today we are going to be looking at good news about API Switch. So many people have been calling us on WhatsApp, and then of course they'll be asking us how can they switch from API services from one API services to the other. In fact, a matter of fact, one of our video which is going viral on the net, one of them commented about two gateway system service provider, and he was asking specifically how that integration can be done. I mean, switching to that particular provider. So in this very video, I'm going to be addressing a few things on that, and then that is what we call API switch. So what is API in the actual sense? API is just application programming interface, a situation whereby you connect to a particular server to be able to work in direct to the application we are building. In this kind of modern age, we have two kinds of API system, which is RESTful API and GATE API. As a matter of fact, our application support these two variables, that is RESTful API and GATE API. And for you to be able to integrate to any third-party services, you must have a development environment. Okay, that development environment gives you ability for you to do a little coding to be able to work with that particular external API system provider. In this note, I'm going to emphasize something, that our application, even though it is meant for VTU system, it can also be extended to build other applications that is not even related to VTU. We have handled a case study whereby we build an MC applications that works with these our solutions, and it can only be possible when an API system is involved. So we're able to make the project live because we use API system from the service provider, and then of course integrate it with the back-end applications. In the nutshell, if you're a client who have a V2 portal with us and you wish to switch the API to another provider, the service is back. Normally we don't allow such services. What we usually do is that when you have API system that comes with the default applications we have built for you, you cannot switch the services to another provider. But right now, as I'm talking to you, the service is back, in the sense that you can switch time services to another API system. You can also go on net and research about a particular portal, and once you are comfortable with that, you can switch this. Or better still, you can also order for this API system so that you can have it on your back end in case if there is a server downtime for a particular API provider you have on your existing website. You can switch to another one by just activating the services. So these are a list of API that are available. One is airtime API switched. Airtime is just all about the data airtimes dispensing, like okay, recharging of airtime. So the API system is available. Integration is also available, and for all the network, which is MTN, Glo, 9 Mobile, you are going to get it at a rate of 5,000 naira for integration. Now, data service is also there, which is API system switch, which is Airtel, 9 Mobile, Glo, and MTN. Okay, in MTN we have two kinds of category, which is SME data. In fact, three categories. We have direct data, SME data, and corporate gifting. Each of these API system is available, and all the network, as I said, all of them for integration for it is 10,000 naira on VTUPortal Creator script. So the third one is TV recharge API switch, which is of course recharging of GoTV, DSTV, StarTime. That is 15,000. Electricity API switch is 20,000. All switch are completed within 24 hours. So when you order for these services and you send us your V2 portal, remember these particular services is only available if you are an existing client. If you are not an existing client, kindly go through the website properly to place your order. That's why we say here that if you cannot place an order for your V2 portal, that is those that are not yet a client, and you request for an API switch, if the default API that comes with your portal is not okay for you, to get started, you visit instamobile.com.ng/pricing, and of course you'll be able to see all the things you need in as regard to each packages and their features. Okay, so I believe this video has helped you a lot. If you have helped you, please like, share this video, and of course comment in the comment section below whatever that you think that you need as a result of this video, or maybe you are not cleared in any way. Your comments can be valuable, and of course we can get back to you within 24 hours. And of course, go through the portal, which is instamobile.com.ng/pricing, and pick a package there if you are not yet a VTUPortal owner. And if you're a VTUPortal owner, chat us on WhatsApp, and of course our WhatsApp line is already there. I'm going to leave it in the description of this video so that you can get your service API system switch possible. For those of you that have been sticking with API that you think that is not good for you, and you have found another one that is not good for you, kindly contact us on WhatsApp. This is Mr. Shedrack on the channel, and of course remember my quote, I want to see you at the top. I don't want you to be in the bottom, because I don't like being at the bottom. Thanks and God bless.